The CPI data came in good today, as I'm sure you know. At 8.5%, it's lower than it has been, and that is an indication that it has peaked, and the markets love it. I love it too. The everything rally will continue for a while longer, I think. Let's go ahead and have a look at some charts. I'm trying out some new screen grabbing software here, so bear with me. I can improve the quality if I choose to pay for the app, so we're going to see how it goes. I have AMC on the 5-minute time frame pulled up, and what I really want to focus on is this motive wave structure coming off of that high. You can see that wave 1 came down, found support on the downtrend from the all-time high. Wave 2 bounced and failed to set a new high. And then we saw a third wave that extended, and this felt brutal because there's probably 2 extensions within here. Nonetheless, the price continued, rose in pre-market to find a high for wave 4, and that wave 4 just about tested the bottom of wave 1, and that's exactly what that wave is supposed to do, is rise and not pass the bottom of wave 1, and then the price plummeted, forming wave 5. We saw today an ABC correction, and that C wave ends with an ending diagonal triangle that's pointing right at that downtrend once again. So I do think that this is fairly bearish, and on the 5-minute time frame, there is some divergence on the RSI that indicates the open will be weak. Volume has been dropping, and I expect that trend to continue. Implied volatility has been very, very flat. I don't see anything changing there. If we do get a second leg of this measured move down, it's going to reach 1765. If the price fails to cross this gray dashed line, that's bullish. And I think that's really where the bulls can start to come in and say that they have a case at reversal, is if the price fails to pass through this gray line. Honestly, I'm not going to be bullish again until the price can get over 27.50. Cap, when were you ever bullish? Well, I said I'd be bullish over 18, and that was just in disbelief as it ran. But nonetheless, we have encountered that trend line, and now we're seeing this measured move down form, and I expect that to play out. GameStop is in a rising wedge, I believe, but it might be in a 335 pattern, which actually could lead to a bullish breakout, and on a larger time frame, you're going to see a nice rounding bottom, and that's pretty bullish. If this pattern does fail, I can see the price coming down to encounter the trend line, this up support right here, this green trend line, and then bouncing higher and finding a similar high to wave 1 back here. That would give us a head and shoulder target, and the breakout downward from this uptrend would then confirm a head and shoulder top, which would have a target down at 25.45. So this is a big deal. It's a big deal. If the price can finish this 335 corrective pattern and higher, then we'll be confirming a rounding bottom, I believe, and I'm bullish. However, if it breaks down, the slide is going to be brutal. SPY is in a remarkable uptrend currently in a channel, and that's a good clue for me that this is actually a motive wave. You can see back here we have this double top which failed, and this is a bullish thing, wave 1, and then the correction, finishing wave 2, and this is now pushing higher in a wave 3. Wave 3 is very powerful. This is the same phase that brought AMC down so hard earlier this week, and here you can see that wave is very powerful, pushing SPY higher on the daily. It's very possible that this gap between yesterday's close and today's open is actually a breakaway gap, and this makes a nice half-staff formation. Let me pull up a pen here. I wonder if I can screen write. This will be interesting. I apologize if this video is a bit weird. I am trying new things. I am experimenting. But I believe that what we're looking at is a flag pull through here, and then that's going to be your half-staff formation. And now the price is breaking up higher, and it may make a move of similar height as the flag pull. In which case, I'd be really bullish. Really bullish. And I am loving it. I'm going to go ahead and just discard that. Let's have a look at the indicators. The RSI is starting to push up towards 70, and when the RSI does reach into overbought, I think that's when we're going to see the top of wave 3, and wouldn't surprise me to see the price rise to the top of that channel to form that peak. So that is really bullish, looking for a target near $430 in SPY still. So that's what I've got for this analysis today, and I really hope that I can edit this together, and you never know, this might... Thanks for tuning in today. If you aren't in the Discord, be sure to join the Discord. If you want to support the channel, hit join below next to subscribe. That's for Capavision, my premium subscribership, and you get access to a private channel in the Discord where I drop a lot of charts. If you want to at me and ask me what I think of a chart, I'll go ahead and do some analysis and I'll post it there. I am active there, and that's kind of where I want to focus my energy and efforts. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe and like or whatever, or don't. I don't care. I'm really just vlogging. My cats are pretty cute, right? Alright, happy trading.